Hello everybody, thank you very much for tuning in. Now what we're looking at here is a Miranda vintage camera lens. It's a 35 to 70 millimeters, but I'm not going to talk about that for two reasons. One, I've already done it. Two, I'm going to talk about something else, and it's this, the Viking 100 milliliter lens cleaning fluid, and this one comes with a little nozzle so you can spray not onto the glass, which I'll say very shortly, and directly onto the glass, I must say. And this one is available to purchase in the link in the description below from our website, so you are supporting our channel by doing so. And I've done a twin pack, and so why a twin pack? You can have one in your camera bag or your binoculars case and one left at home, or you can have one as a spare, give one away as a gift, etc, etc. Now I want to point out something on the back. You probably, well, I'd imagine you can't read it, but in the constructions it says spray directly onto the surface, lens surface. No, I would say not. You may spray too much on, some may get caught, you know, in little crevices here, maybe creep behind the lens and open up a whole world of problems. So what I would say is, first of all, before you use the lens cleaner, there might still be some dust on your camera lens. You don't want to be getting a cloth and rubbing dust or grit into your lens, because that won't be good. So first of all, get a little dust blower, clean all the dust off. The chances are you're not going to use this lens cleaner much. You'll be using a dust blower more than not, but you may get an accidental fingerprint on it. And so what you do, rather than spray directly onto the glass, just imagine that I'm doing this, you'll just spray a little bit onto the edge of a cleaning cloth, not much, and very, very gently wipe the mark away, and then turn the cloth round and polish to a finish. You don't have to rub it hard. Let the solution do the work for you. And that is pretty much how to use this cleaning fluid properly. Don't just think it's for camera lenses and binoculars. The list can go on. Telescopes, telescope eyepieces, smartphones, laptop screens, drones, you know, spectacles. If it's glass or high quality glass, plastic, I think, but definitely glass, then this is the stuff you need. So as always, I hope this helps, and we shall see you next time.